Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcia, and today I'm bringing you guys a nice little cute tutorial. I did a poll on YouTube because I feel like you guys are more open like with what you guys want on YouTube. I feel like when I do them on Instagram, like people just ask me things like, when are you gonna have mixed babies? And I'm just like, I asked you if you guys wanted a tutorial, you know, like it's just people are just more like asking random questions on IG. Yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so since everybody voted for makeup tutorial, well, everybody, half of you voted makeup tutorial, but makeup tutorial was like up faster than the bag collection, so I'll do that afterwards. So to start off, I'm going to just bring back some moisture into my face because I did do my base, concealer, and everything, bronzing, contouring, whatever. So I'll be using the CC Glam 100% pure Moroccan lavender water. I just felt like my face was feeling like really dry. I really like the lavender one, but I do prefer the rose one. I said that like so many times. I like both. I just prefer the rose one. I already primed my skin using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, the new one that just came out. I don't know which shade I used. I'm gonna do like a chit chat get ready with me sometime this month, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. I like it so far. It's my first time using it today. So first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I hate having this palette in my shot because it changes. But yeah, I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, and I'm going to be going into the color Creamsicle right here. It's like a nice burnt yellow color, and I'm gonna apply this as a transition shade. And my brush is going to be the Morphe M501. You guys know already, this is my favorite brush ever for my crease or transition shade. I'm gonna do like light strokes, right? Because this color is pretty pigmented. Should I zoom you guys in? I think I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Also, if you can hear like little ticking noises, you know that's Bay playing 2K or Day.
I bet I got more money than Jay-Z. Compared to me, Jay-Z is lazy.
Just use like light windshield wiper motions. I haven't done eyeshadow in so long, but this look, I've done it like twice when I went out clubbing, and I really liked it. And I got a lot of compliments on it. So, and we're using something you guys haven't seen on YouTube in a while because the hype of it like went down. All my Fenty girls are gonna be happy. Everyone that bought it's gonna be happy, like, yes, I can use it. Now I'm going to go into the NYX Single Shadow in STFU. Okay, and it is in the color STFU. I don't know the name of it, but this is an H&M brush. It's like double-sided, but if you bought the ABH palettes, they come with the exact same like brushes, except that this one has like a flat brush here, but the top one are very similar. So if you can't find this one and you've had a ABH palette before, 99.9% of them come with this brush. Just gonna go into that STFU color. Okay, screw it. I don't like this brush for this. I feel like it's not flexible. I love this part, but this part is like not, I'm not having it right now. So we're gonna go into that ABH brush that I've been, you know, talking about. So we're just gonna apply this in the crease. This is just going to blend in like the yellow really properly. Also, if you can't find that NYX single shadow, don't worry. This NYX palette has it, the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. It's the brights one, and the yellow right here is really similar or even the same exact shade. You can use either or. I would say get the palette because like the single shadow here in Montreal is about like $7.99, but for the palette it's $20. So just get the palette and you'll have like so many more shades. I didn't lay anything. Look at this. Like nappy curly hair here and like silky straight weave. Using that same Morphe M501 brush with whatever's left on the brush from the Creamsicle color, I'm just going to blend both of these colors together. When I have money, I'm gonna buy this brush just for my highlight. I think I said that like a million times. Placing orders is such like, it's like a hassle to me. But like going to a mall is a hassle, so I'm just a complicated ass bitch. We're gonna go into the Fenty Trophy Wife highlighter. This is the product I was saying that my Fenty girl's gonna be happy. This is how it looks like, guys. This is freaking yellow. I don't know who thought that this was okay to wear as a highlighter. It's a lot. Like, I wear this at night only, and I don't even reach out for it anymore. So I like using it as an eyeshadow. So I'm going into this e.l.f. professional eyeshadow brush. It looks like so. Guys, you can get these for $1 at Walmart or Target. And I'm just gonna use my spray because I really want the glitter that's in this. I really want it to pop. And all you're gonna do is pack that. Oh my god, look how pretty. Pack it on your lid. On your lid, sis. And it doesn't matter if you're like messy, because obviously we're gonna go back with those brushes we used earlier in the crease. But just keep packing it, you know? That NYX shadow had so much fallout. Do you guys see that? Jesus. So now that we packed everything on both eyes, we're just gonna go back into the creamsicle color in the Jaclyn Hill palette and just windshield wiper motion and blending the edges out of that Trophy Wife color. I feel like I lost like the glitter of the Trophy Wife, so I'm gonna go back into Trophy Wife. I'm gonna use my finger and just pack it literally like in the center, just so we can have like the glitter effect still on the eye. I like this tutorial or technique because it's like messy, but it's like pretty and it's easy to do. And you guys have been asking me for more color, so I hope this is enough for you guys, because a bitch is not a fan of color when it comes to eyeshadow. I used to be, but yeah. So we're now going to create a wing. I'm going to go into the Sigma pen liner. It looks like so, and it is in the color Wicked. I'm just gonna create a really nice wing. I'm not gonna say if it's a big or small wing because my wings change all the time. I'm sweating. So for lashes, I'm just gonna apply the Dodo lashes in D105. These are my favorites. I can see that I doubled the ends with another pair of lashes, but I don't know what they are. But the D105 by itself are really nice, so don't worry about that. Okay, so lashes are on. We're just gonna finish up with the face, and then we're gonna smoke out the bottom lash line, and then we're gonna be done. I did everything already. I'm just missing blush and highlight. So for blush, I'm gonna go into the Sigma Pour de Rosa Aura Powder blush. Just gonna use my Claire's powder brush and tone it down because I put a little too much. What had happened was that I didn't record this whole time. What I did is that I applied some of that creamsicle color on my bottom lash line, literally just like this. It wasn't nothing technical. I applied some mascara and I also applied some highlight. I used the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown highlighter. You guys know this is one of my favorite highlighters of all time. And mascara, it doesn't really matter because we're wearing falsies, but I used the Essence Extreme Volume Mascara. I love this mascara. It's so nice. And it retails for like $3, $2.99. So really nice. Look how nice the wand is though. That's a big fat wand. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, in my inner corner, I went into the ABH Prism palette. I used the color Pyramid right here, which I hit pan because it is one of my favorite inner corner colors. So I just used that same ABH brush, but the other side, and I just applied that to my inner corners like so. I'll apply some on my nose a little. I actually purchased the Sephora Gel Lip Liner in the color Rosewood. It is the perfect brownish mauve taupe color for your lips when it comes to lining your lips. I love the look of like bigger lips, so what I do is that I line my lips with this. So now that you guys are close to my crusty ass lips, you guys see that there's like your line right here, but on top of that line there's another line. So make sure that you're like drawing with the liner on that line. So I usually like to look down because you can see that line really well. I feel like the Sephora brand is very underrated when it comes to like their products and stuff like that. I really like their lip products. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Toffee lip gloss. It's this beautiful nude lip gloss. I feel like it's the perfect like black girl nude, but I feel like it's too like pinky now. So I go in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Undressed lip gloss, which at the time I thought was too light, so now I like mixing both of them together. I just wish ABH would come out with a perfect color in between of these two, because that would be perfect. So what I do is that I take Undressed and I apply it in the middle, and on top of that I go into the Sarina lip gloss by Boxum. This is just going to give like that shiny finish and the lip plumping. I also feel like this gloss is melanin black girl friendly because of like how deep it is. I love the color. I love the color of this gloss. It's so nice. It's like a beautiful glittery brown. I know it's a lot, and I know I literally just put on like $80 worth of products on my lips. It's ridiculous, but you know, I like them. So now I'm just going to set my face using the Pearl Essence White Charcoal Makeup Setting Spray. This is my favorite setting spray ever. So that is it, guys. That's the finishing look. I hope you guys liked it. I like it a lot. It's very like summery, but it's still wearable. I like these really colorful looks that people do and stuff, but I feel like besides a YouTube video like or pictures, I can't really wear that out because, you know, you look like too much. But I feel like this is a very wearable look, which is why I've worn it I think 2 or 3 times now. Like, I really like this look. I hope you guys liked it. It's really easy. I really wanted to keep it easy, but doesn't look like it was easy. You know what I'm saying? You can do the exact same look with another color. It's doable with any other eyeshadow. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell because I want you guys to be notified every time I post. I look naked, but I have a top. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.